Hi, I'm Mark Bassett, Executive Director of the Nevada Northern Railway, National Historic Landmark here in Ely, Nevada. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Railway Fun, Facts, and Trivia. And this episode is about the haunted ghost train of Old Ely. As you can see, we have a very special engine crew for the haunted ghost train. You just never know who's going to buy a ticket on the haunted ghost train of Old Ely. It could be just about anybody.
Ticket. Thank you.
I hope you've enjoyed the special edition of Railway Fun, Facts, and Trivia on the haunted ghost train right here in Ely, Nevada. Be sure to join us Saturday nights in Ely as very strange and odd things may appear. So have fun. Check us on the web at nnry.com. You're creepy.